So how's it going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you like to detail the interior of your car or just regular cleaning of your car, you're gonna need a vacuum cleaner. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the GIRAFFE Tools wall-mounted vacuum for your garage. So guys, let's get started. So this is the GIRAFFE wall-mounted vacuum from GIRAFFE Tools. So this is a pretty heavy box. It's about 60 pounds or more, so you need two guys to lift this for sure. And go check it inside. So here you have your manual. Well, you have a template here for installing it on the wall, and you have all the attachment here for the vacuum. Also here you have some installation bolts that you need to install it on the wall. You got some spare screws here, I don't know what that's for. And the wand, you know, the wand to extend the vacuum. So guys, we're gonna check out the inside. I'm gonna take out this styrofoam here. Okay. Yeah, that's the actual vacuum. Yeah, it's pretty big. You know, it's pretty heavy. So you got a protection foam here on the side. Probably gonna need two person to lift this out. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. I'm gonna find another person to help me lift it up, and we'll check it out. So I finally got the machine out of the box, and this is how it looks like. So it's pretty heavy, so you're gonna need another guy to for sure carry this on the wall. So to install this, you're gonna need some good, yeah, it's preferable to bolt this on the stud of your wall, so it can carry the weight, you know. Now we're gonna open up the inside. That's how you empty the container. Okay, there's a handle here. Alright. So here you have all the necessary things to install the vacuum. I don't know what this is. Maybe probably a big vacuum bracket. Got your accessories for your hose, and here you got the wand with a Bluetooth remote. So it's important you have the Bluetooth remote so you can control the power on the vacuum on and off on the wand, instead of you walking back and forth to the machine to turn it on and off. So which is really good. Well, this is an option. You have to pay extra for this Bluetooth controller. If you don't want this, you're gonna get the vacuum a little bit more cheaper. That's good. You get the bracket here. It's a pretty, yeah, it's a pretty hefty bracket. You know, it's solid metal. So I have another bracket here for the other side. So basically we're gonna install the bracket on the wall and we're gonna hang it here. So you get some more accessory for the vacuum. All this is for the, you know, accessories for the vacuum. Okay. Piece of cardboard and that's it. So this is the one that's gonna catch all your dirt or water, because this is a wet and dry vacuum. And that's all I have underneath the tray. So looking at the vacuum right now, so we have a HEPA filter here. So it's gonna filter out all the pollen and the dust, so it doesn't come back out on your surroundings, and which is good. This is where the vacuum dirt that's gonna come out and collect on the tray. Okay. So this is where you're gonna connect the your wand, and the rest are the hose. So it's a pretty big unit. It's heavy. So if you cannot lift this by yourself, you're gonna need another guy to help you out. Put this on the wall. So now let's go do the install. Let's install this on the wall. So this is what I've decided to install, the wall-mounted vacuum. As you can see, I bolted the half-inch plywood. Yeah, I think this is less than half-inch, but still it's solid enough to hold the vacuum. So you have to screw it onto the studs. Make sure you find the studs, and when you find the studs, then you have to screw this plywood onto the wall. So by doing this, you're gonna have more strength on the wall to hold the 60-pound vacuum. Now I plug in the unit. We're gonna try it's working. Pretty strong. Oh, lots of power on it. So far I'm liking this vacuum. All I have to do now is test it, and we'll see how it works. So we're gonna test the vacuum on my 128i because it's pretty filthy inside. As you can see, all the dirt on the floor. So I don't even know why we have this paper here. But for the rest, I'm gonna try to vacuum that. It's so dirty inside. So first I'm gonna use the brush attachment. Oh, nice. Vacuum is very strong. It has 1200 watts of power. So that's the spec of this vacuum. The suction is really strong. So as you can see, it sucks all the dirt right away. The vacuum is so strong, it has 1200 watts of power. So I'm really happy about the performance on this, on the cleaning of my floor, even here. So it's nice. I really like the vacuum. So maybe next time I'm gonna try to do a shampoo on the floor, but for now we're just gonna vacuum the car just to see the performance of this vacuum. So guys, I'm really impressed with this GIRAFFE Tools wall mounted vacuum. So there's no problem vacuuming my car. It has good power, good suction. It has 1200 watts of power, and also the retractability of the hose. It can go up to 30 feet and no tangling of the hose because of the automatic reeling of the machine. So there's no problem with that. Plus the convenience of the Bluetooth remote on the handle, that you can turn on and off the machine without going to the machine itself while you're doing your cleaning. That's a good convenience also. So guys, I really like this vacuum, and I hope you like the video also. So if you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.